Hey guys, welcome to CJ Dropshipping. My name is Demi. In this video, I'll talk about 9 mistakes newbies make leading to pull sales for their dropshipping business. We know that a dropshipping business is very easy to start as you don't have to pre-stock or manage the shipment. It requires not too much budget to create an online site and run your business. Every day, there are a lot of people learning about dropshipping and start their business. But most of these beginners gave up after got no sales in the first few weeks. Why your store isn't making any sales? It's about marketing, it's about your product page, it's about pricing. Many details can make your potential customers give up paying for the bill. Now let's see what mistakes you could avoid which may lead to pull sales for your dropshipping business. Before we jump into the content, make sure you have subscribed and show me a little love to smash a like to help out with our channel. Without a targeted traffic, your store isn't going to generate any revenue. You cannot wait for customers to come to you, especially when you are running an online store. Traffic means everything. You need to create ad campaigns to draw traffic to your site. Most dropshippers run Facebook ads to draw traffic. Facebook ad is the easiest way to draw traffic for beginners. But if you don't get much budget, there are many other marketing ways like influencer marketing, social or content marketing, and more for option. The point is, you have to draw as much traffic as you can to your store. Generally speaking, more traffic means more sales. Product content usually contains product images, videos, and descriptions. Usually, you make a video ad or an image ad to attract customers to your site. Then visitors learn more about the product by the images and descriptions on the product page to decide whether to buy the product or not. So the product content is very important to the conversion rate. Imagine when you spend tons of effort to attract people to your site, but few sales generated. People go away because of the poor quality of product images and descriptions, or even the bad design of your product page. You don't want that to happen. Images and descriptions should be designed to attract buyers to the item. If you have short photos or rely solely on technical descriptions, you lose a lot of sales because you fail to generate interest in your products. Showcase your products from multiple angles with quality images and create unique descriptions that show buyers the value of the products and how consumers can benefit from them. And make a unique creative video is a popular way for now to showcase your product comprehensively. You can make the content by yourself or go to Fiverr to find a professional photographer do it for you, or just find a link on the description below to send an inquiry to CJ to get excellent photography service. Sometimes you may get no sales after spending lots of money on ads or tons of time and effort into content marketing. If that's the case, just stop and check. Are you targeting the right people? Make sure you do your audience research every time you create a marketing campaign so that your marketing is targeting the right crowd. For example, if you are selling more than baby products, it is not wise to spend time and money on pushing ads to school teenagers who are not the right audiences. Pricing products properly counts much in the dropshipping business. If your prices are too low, customers may think your products are of poor quality. Price too high, and they'll shop elsewhere. When you factor in tax and shipping costs, it's even more challenging. Market research and trial and error can help you find the pricing sweet spot you need to gain and keep customers. I just made a video of 5 websites to spy on product data. Check the card here. On these sites, you're able to spy on your competitors' pricing and offer a competitive price. There is an interesting online shopping preference. customers are more willing to buy an item priced at $40 with free shipping than the same item priced at $35 with a 5 shipping cost. So when your customers see the hidden shipping costs when checking out, they are very likely to abandon the cart. Shipping rates are one of the biggest reasons for shopping cart abandonment. People aren't willing to pay for shipping, but it's an easy issue to fix. Just add the shipping cost to the product price, or set free shipping for orders over $49 or $99. Contact information may seem like a small detail, but it's a very important step to build trust with your customers. Customers have no sense of safety if they are not able to have timely communication with the seller if there's a problem. And the lack of security leads to abandoned carts. That's why customer service is so important in e-com business. Make sure the customers can reach you conveniently and always respond the first time. A complex, multi-step checkout process is a frustrating experience for customers. Generally speaking, more than 80% of the potential customers are gone each step to the final payment. So if you want to increase the transaction rate, you need to create a very short checkout process. Likewise, never require registration for checkout. Let customers go through the process and choose the option to register and save their info at the end, in case they want to come back again. Nowadays, as nearly everyone has a smartphone, shop online with a smartphone is trendy, and more people will shop online with smartphones. If your online store has tiny buttons, small product images, or a cluttered design, navigation can be incredibly difficult. Small tap targets make it difficult to hit a target link or button on a shrunken mobile screen, which can sour the shopping experience and drive the customers elsewhere. So make sure your mobile design is responsive with large images and properly sized buttons. Like Google recommends, tap targets and buttons that are at least 48 pixels tall or wide. Engagement counts a lot in dropshipping business. Whether you are running ads or doing content marketing, social media marketing, and others, more engagement means better performance. For instance, like the cases I shared in this video, the seller of the post got the most engagement answered the comments below the post one by one. The questions were like, how much is the product? Where can I get it? Was the shipping to somewhere? And the like. By answering the questions, the seller built trust with audiences and he sent the audiences to the product page by leaving a link to every comment. Besides, engage your customers and followers on social media or blog is a budget-saving way to keep your brand front and center and keep them coming back. That will be the end of today's video. Share it with your Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter if you like it. And do not forget to subscribe to us here and ring the bell so you will not miss our updates. Like to help out with our channel so we can make it better. Thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day.